Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how auxiliary line with 2 points feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. And we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go back into the program here. So now just a reminder, this is a mini series on the actual CAD feature, and currently we are busy with the auxiliary feature, which can be found over here next to the arcs. So now in today's video we're going to be looking at the second last option here. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see a bit better. So we've got here the auxiliary line with 2 points. Let's move this little widget off our primary monitor. So now it's a pretty simple one, this. So if I click it, it gives us this option. And now this is pretty much, imagine you are creating a line with a line tool. So what we have here, we've got X1 and Y1. So it's just laid out a bit different. Instead of next to each other or underneath each other, it's next to each other. So we've got X1 and Y1, and then we have X2 and Y2. So now obviously this will be the location of your first point. Now keep in mind, obviously with a guide, it's going to be running through these points. So, but this is a nice way to define exactly where you want the guide. So let's say we keep our guide to 0, 0, 0, 0, or let's rather go maybe on X100. Then you can get a basic horizontal guide, as you can see that. So it's on 0 and on the horizontal. So now I can go to that same one, and I can obviously do a vertical. So I'll leave now everything 0, and then except for Y1, let's make that 100. There we go. Now we've got a vertical line as well. So it can dub also as your horizontal vertical. But then the nice part is, let's say we grab that and we go, let's maybe make X and Y 100, say okay, and there we go. We've got a line that starts at 0 and goes to 100 and cuts through everything else. If I zoom out there, you can see that. So this is a nice way to get very custom guidelines. So if you need it exactly from one point to another point, I would highly recommend you use this tool. So once again, that is it on the auxiliary line with 2 points. So just a quick recap, it basically creates a guide from 2 points on your actual space here. So from point A to B, or in this case, point 1 to point 2. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.